Beautiful song by my brother Paul. Now, he was here last week on the show, and we had very fan-filled conversation on the show. He's out with a new tape titled People, Things, and Places. Guys, you can check it out on all streaming platforms and add to your playlist. Guys, I go by the name Mark Motin, your host doing the most on today's episode. You tune into MS Live. You can follow us on all social media platforms, MS24GH, hashtag MS Live. Guys, sit back, relax. We'll be back in a bit. Hey, Charlie, the energy be too much for the studios. Guys, you still tuned in to MS24 TV. This is MS Live, and I go by the name Mark Motin. You just watched the video, and you know it's about to go down. And my guest goes by the name Gonaboy.
Love.
Broski, you're welcome to the show, my brother.
Thank you, big man.
I love your drip. I love your Timbs.
Easy, thank
Charlie,
you.
to win our price near saying.
Fools. Yeah.
Kanta level.
Yeah, this is for my brother Akata.
Okay. Charlie, what do you have to come up?
Yeah,
Welcome once again.
Thank you.
So, bro, of all the names, why Gonaboy? Where are you going to?
Oh, Gona is my real name.
Really?
Yeah.
Gona is your real name.
Yeah.
And what's the meaning of Gona?
Gona meaning big spirit.
Big spirit.
Yeah.
Big spirit. And
yeah.
where does the name
it's a
derive
Sisala
from?
name. It's a Sisala name, yeah.
Sisala.
Anybody who is Sisala who is watching me down, Glong Gona. Yeah.
Okay. And I can see you have a lot of nicknames. Why all those names?
Oh, it's from the street. My people, the believers, those who believe we are really doing this. They get to call you this and you keep it. They get to call you this. Yeah. And I respect that.
Yeah, okay. That's very beautiful. So how did the whole music thing start for you?
I would say childhood, just being a boy who's always in his corner.
Okay.
Having my little disability with my leg, so I know they want trouble.
You had disabilities with?
Yeah, my leg. I still have it.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know.
Or naturally, like?
Maybe my mom will tell me one day. Always she's saying it's natural, so I just keep it that way.
Okay. I want you to get deep into your early stage of life, like music. The school that you attend.
Yeah.
What influenced you to do music and stuff like that? Can we get deep into that?
Music. I was just by myself enjoying music.
Okay.
And it started like that.
Yeah. And it just kicked off for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So Gona, which hood do you represent?
Oh, at the moment I represent everywhere, because I can't choose. Meet, you see. That would be a trouble on the street.
Okay. Yeah. Every hood.
Yeah, but I represent Techiman.
Hey.
Yeah, that's home. I always mention that.
Okay.
Yeah, and I represent any hood who support Gona.
Okay, so from every hood, not only in Accra.
Yes.
Techiman, Kumasi, every hood.
Brekum,
that means
Sunyane, Upper West. Yeah.
Okay.
Far away.
So Gonaboy, which school did you went to? Like senior high school?
Senior high school, was senior high technical school.
Okay, wow.
And 102 went on, and I left there for all for Christ Senior High School.
So that means you went to two senior high schools?
Yes.
Would you say you were bad? That's why you were switching senior high schools?
My senior house master would say that.
Okay, so do you say in a way it all started from senior high school?
Yes.
Okay.
It got heated in senior high school, being the entertainment prophet. Yeah.
For which of the schools? Because you said
senior high technical school.
Okay, so you were the entertainment prefect over there. Okay. So were you writing your own songs, or let me say, or you were performing other artists' music?
Back then I used to write, but I've always been, like, all the kind of music I love, their lyrics is different. Yeah, before I fall in love with another artist, his pen game should be serious. So I was writing, but I wasn't like recording, bringing it out. I was just writing, keeping it to myself, learning the way to correct myself one way or the other. Yeah, just like that.
Gona, you bet me the Afra, PG, she, every level you want us to go. Yeah, bro, you perceive a baby, Oh, you be a PM because you be street guy. So what's your PM? That's why I say, baby, level be up as sort of for be. I mean, I dare for you. Okay. So you
said banana me the more. You get me?
Yeah. Okay.
So come bro for me more bro.
Me can be a PG. Yeah. Okay.
Now see from senior high school, you try a day. Obeba na ye rapesa akode, obeba na ye to patron kenyumbi, obeba na ye to Mr. Easy. At that moment, nyuma hit bia miss you to because entertainment time, so I'm never be performing. And they knew me for that in ACHS. But after ACHS, I was still writing. Me babre cool, me beto ACHS song crab on 70, I be you know.
Charlie.
Me twice over that side, I started recording. Yeah.
Okay.
I started recording, but still, I wasn't just putting it out until 2019.
Okay.
Now I started doing out.
So during the time, as I said, senior high school, which artists did you grow up listening to when you were in senior high school?
I would say all the hip hop niggas at that time, the trip hop niggas.
Okay.
I was just tuning into anybody who is hot, anybody who is trying to do something. For me, I did try lane. So anybody who did sport there, I for learn something, I for pick something. I was just trying to build myself. Yeah, just by myself like that.
Okay. That's very, very beautiful. So that means, as you said, we're listening to a lot of artists during that period. But who would you say was your favorite? Probably you might have favorite that spark the energy for you to Charlie. I listened to this artist and the energy was Charlie dope. The energy this person they give me in there. It be too dope way influence you, motivated you that Charlie make her do music, make her go all out with this music thing.
Oh, you see, with me, I didn't just have one artist I can tune on, like just listen to all the time. I'm learning my ways around my own, and I'm still listening to you.
Okay.
Timitio kakra me call me baby.
Okay.
It's always been like that.
Okay.
Yeah. At the moment, I have a favorite artist, but first,
okay.
I can't remember.
Okay. So did you always have that confidence to perform your own song at senior high school?
Yes.
So from day one, you never performed any artist song?
Oh, I performed plenty artists. Plenty artists. It could be just somebody in town song. Yeah, while we had people who were just in town making music, but their songs were good. You come and see me performing on stage just because I like it.
Okay.
And the people can sing along.
Okay.
Yeah, entertainment prophet duties. You did get me?
Okay.
Yeah, just be so no.
Okay, that's very beautiful. You said Brekum. You know that's where Kwaku Smoke is from.
Oh yeah.
Brekum.
Yeah,
And you know probably like they talk about this woman, this particular woman where they prepare banku or something. Why the banku be too special? Why you guys always infuse them in your music and something?
I chop banku for Brekum. Them all be special. Yeah, them food be special.
Okay.
That be what I go to say. Them food be very special. For the kato there. Yeah, banku ni sheho.
Banku ni sheho. Tiama for a Philly vibe no. Okay. So are you a street boy?
I would say that I hustle from the street.
Do you think like you being a street boy have changed your pen game or how you write music or how you approach music?
I just feel like environment counts in writing, but what you learn too counts. Yeah, we look at people every day. I don't take it that the streets can be a big effect on my pen game like that.
Okay.
Now, because what I think counts to what I feel. Maybe the streets a lot they happen, but I don't really pay attention. I pay attention for somewhere else. That's for me. Yeah. Maybe me I focus on something else because it be so me
Okay. So what was your focus when writing music? Because you said you don't normally base on what is happening. So what's your focus when you are writing music?
What has happened to me before, what I've experienced.
Okay, so can you explain to us?
I
want you to give us an example.
An example of like my movement in the studio?
We want to understand your state of mind that, okay, this is what Gonaboy go through when he's writing a song. So
imagine, say, I drop Hustler's mantra, So...
let's go to maybe say reggae.
Reggae. Okay, reggae is just me being a guy. I've faced my own ways of life, which I've experienced things with. Relationship was, you get me?
Okay.
My own ways of life, what I try to do, give my mommy.
Okay.
That's how I picture things before I write. my own ways of life. I'm trying to move on. I'm not getting it right. My own ways of life. I see what is happening to everybody too. But to say, saying I make me a can, it wouldn't be based on me alone.
No.
It go based on somebody else.
Okay.
Yeah. So you get me. Some of the lines I'm speaking to my own self. Some of the lines I'm speaking to you. Yeah, it just be so no. I did look at you, I did look at myself too.
That'd be deep. That'd be more of like a reflection.
Yeah.
Looking in the mirror and the stuff that you are saying, it could reflect in my life.
That's why I see only things I've experienced.
Okay.
So if I experience something, I would sit down and say, oh, this is my brother. Is he going through the same thing? How I go fit pen him? You did get me?
Okay.
Yeah. See me there sorting that will be to so. Yeah, you go here, I go send you to some big picture.
Okay.
Yeah, it's for you, it's for me. Okay. We all can't lie about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That means, should I say, is it fair for me to say you do conscious music?
You can't say that.
But what do you believe? Do you believe you do conscious music?
I believe that. I believe that. I believe that.
Okay. That's very, very beautiful. So let me say, what music, for me, I would say, Boom is the song that made me heard of you.
Yeah.
Do you feel like Boom kind of give you that, like, introduction for a lot of Ghanaians to know your music?
For sure.
Okay.
Especially Kumasi, my people in Kumasi, my people in Techiman, when I drop Boom, the energy was different. Me hustle back crowd, so anywhere you go, 10 to 20 people, then still go chant them. Yeah. Boom is a great song.
Boom is a great song.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's check out the video for Boom. We'll be right back. Gonaboy, and I'm enjoying this song. You know, is this your viral song?
Yeah.
Okay. First, I was talking about Boom.
Yeah.
And Abele came, and a lot of people love it. Can you run us through the creative process of making Abele?
Abele, one evening, I was just so eager to record. Now I'm afraid Akata, you beat me a record, yeah? We call Buka.
So Akata be your producer?
Nah, Akata is not my producer. Akata is my brother. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If Akata they here, they represent me on for buy the music.
Hey.
Yeah, it is so. I call Akata, I call Buka. We moved to some apartments. We just did there with the record. I jumped onto one beat, I didn't like it. Second beat, I didn't like it. Third beat, I didn't like it. Fourth beat, Abele
came.
Yeah, okay. Moral lesson, try harder.
Okay. So that's the meaning of the song.
I'm just saying that day I was just trying hard on myself.
Okay.
Now I'm recording for a long time. Yeah, I did school too, so sometimes I know they get my body.
Okay.
I was saying go forward course, so on a big kakra. Yeah, now I'm saying back.
That means you take a break kakra with the music.
Oh, I know they take break on the music.
Okay.
But regardless of how they focus on school.
Okay.
With school, I be stubborn for arms more, you know. Yeah, I be stubborn for this more. So regardless of how they focus, I'm either writing or doing something closer to the music.
Okay.
Yeah, I know go forget them. Yeah.
Okay. But I want to understand, what does the song mean? Abele, like, I know Abele, we use the term Abele.
Abele will give you the feeling of, I have it now.
Okay.
Yeah, I achieve what I want.
Okay.
Boom.
Boom, mama.
All my songs, it's just about, bro, be strong. You can have it. It's always giving you the feeling of, say, the motivation of you wanting to get it. I'll speak about it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
But why do you go with those terms, Abele, Boom? Like, do you intentionally choose the titles for your songs?
Oh, no. It's just about my life.
Okay.
Yeah, a big part of my life back in Techiman. Yeah, be born free school. If you don't have the coins for Abele, then that means your day spoiled with that.
Chale.
Yeah, because everybody to go by.
Abele.
Yeah, only that thing will make you sad to say when I want me here. Yeah, but I be antisa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you reminisce that and you put into music. And whatever you are going through at that moment.
Yes.
That's very beautiful. At times, do you feel intimidated when people try to compare you to Black Sherif?
Oh, no. The thing is, me with camera is hard to, if I be close to you, maybe if you say me take out camera.
Okay.
If I take out camera, like when I go see how Black they love Martin.
Okay.
Yeah, they respect Martin. I they respect him same way. Then they see the videos outside. So me they comparison anytime they see, I know they like him. Then for stop that, be cool. He be what Black they do for we all. He the head we now. Or the hip hop sound name be. He's doing a part. Somebody to go come do a part. Obi su be a part. Into Monte, as I said, it's like that in that way. Anybody will feel sound like somebody because we already take motivation. Yeah.
But Gonaboy, which part? It can be positive, it can be negative. You know, people comparing.
I've never seen it as negative because
Okay.
I'm hardworking to the extent that I will speak for myself.
Okay.
Yeah, I will speak for myself, regardless of how you go compare my thing to somebody.
Okay.
If you open your eye, you go see a wider portion where you know they look like nobody.
Okay.
Yeah.
The reason why I want us to touch on this matter is that, in a way, it feels beautiful for people to make that comparison to say, the way Gonaboy moves, your mannerism, how you talk, how you act, your aura, your demeanor, your fashion sense, like, it's the same way.
That's why I say we be closer family.
Okay.
That's a very closer family.
That's what I'm trying to.
You get me? Yeah.
That's what I'm
so
trying
if
to.
you see, say, I they learn something from KK, oh, they respect them because I they learn them.
Okay.
Yeah, you for feel watch somebody then watch them then do something for yourself too. No, they sit down, they look so busy, say. Me maintain that.
Me know one thing I like about you. I like your passion. How you put your passion in your music. How you put right now how we are talking. The passion you talk with. I love them.
Thank you.
That's what I'm trying to say. I love it when it can be positive, it can be negative. I love that positive side of you saying what you're saying. Because I've been to several concerts that you come around to perform and people get wow with your performance, you see. But at the same time, if anybody who has that listening ears will know that, okay, this is Gonaboy's sound. Definitely your sound is different from Black Sherif.
Yes.
We can't take that away.
Thank you.
Okay. So for the viewers watching you, oh Charlie, the way Gonaboy acting it be like Black Sherif. So I want you to explain, say, okay, this be the Gonaboy sound.
Yeah.
This be what Gonaboy sound they represent.
Yes.
Me, I know say, anytime I hear Gonaboy, I think of trap. I think of spiritual music.
I feel you.
Okay. So for the viewers watching you, what they make your sound distinguish from your brother man?
You know, see, my bro, me I would say KK be big brother, yeah? We every day, as he be big brother, just know say, Unyame, ebema wa hu bibi ansana wa hu bibi.
True.
That be how the thing day. So if you see him, you fall in. That be how he did.
Yeah, true.
Until I was someone who said, comparison, if you want to keep that energy, you go continue to do them.
Yeah, for real.
For me, I know go shun the learn from nobody. Anybody will go say he be hard or no meso as you they do at the learn. Meso me any suya. It be so no. We already did the industry. It started with just doing music. You love music, you are doing your thing. You go can't reach a part how the people they show you love you for no say it be bigger something for your head. It's and like say somebody say you they learn. If you know they learn, maybe that be your only motivation.
Yeah, true.
When in Suya now what you they do? Yeah. So the comparison, I know they try stuff on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Say then they take you to compare KK. You know the blessing he did.
Yeah, for real. For real.
You for just bro, me I dey sleep on I did my way. I go bring more music.
Charlie.
I just know say one day then we go drop the music to the extent that then we wake up and say, oh, we are okay now. We won't talk about that again. Yeah.
Okay. One thing I want to ask is that Gonaboy, are you still identifying your sound, or you are still experimenting the kind of music you do?
I would say I'm experimenting. Yeah, but I feel like I have a part that I've mastered. That's what I'm giving to you now.
Okay.
Yeah, you hear more of that, but I'm still experimenting. The things that I have that I know is different, it's sounding different, I'm still keeping it to myself until I feel okay with that. You go here.
Okay, that's very beautiful. You heard it from my brother. He's still experimenting the sound, but he has a pattern. So our pattern and album, I believe in that free beautiful one. But one thing is that your songs, it seems you always talk about drugs.
Oh. Hey,
you always speak about drugs.
This quote drugs, baby, big matter.
We, your American brothers, Reggie and Co. also talks about drugs. Do you like to link up with them for you guys to preach about drug abuse and stuff?
You know, say, sorry to say, but we don't speak about drugs. So you for just know, say, we be day street.
Okay.
We, like, the way of life you live, it will reflect in your pen. You get me?
Okay.
It will reflect for everywhere. But every day we try to keep a good side of it. Yeah, maybe with a listener, obiani the way I would see you. If you take it the way you want to take it, but we today me at the city they say nobody for they do drugs. I beg
watch the camera and tell them. Hey, that's your camera.
Don't do drugs. Don't do drugs. Nobody for do drugs. Any drugs. Charlie, any little thing we Nedro Crowco Hospital near the Mawan and no me saying. No, they do drugs, Charlie. They your room, they go your school, they do what you feel like you go feel be productive.
Yeah, go on, right now. I'm gonna say red now, but I'm say red now, no one thing.
Oh. Red, yeah, Charlie. Bro, me, I don't know red.
Camera.
Me, I don't know red. I never know red. Anybody who really know me, know say I don't know red.
Okay, you know what? You heard it from Gonaboy. He doesn't know red. He doesn't know what red is about. Only red.
You know, me say I don't know what red is about. I see him for the TV too. I see him for the news too. Where are the praise? That's why I say nobody for do drugs. But me personally, as a day here, I don't know what be red. I never see some before. Cause I know good. I know search red.
Okay.
Red.
Okay. But you love to work with Asaka boys.
Oh, I have worked with YGA.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, come out yet.
Okay.
But I get work with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I feel like you guys.
I get work with B-Strap. Yeah.
Wow, B-Strap and Gonaboy.
Yeah,
Madness.
it's been long. We get time no be today. But you know, say everybody's on a different journey.
Okay.
Yeah, I dey prepare my body, come meet my brothers.
Okay, beautiful one, beautiful one. Gonaboy, I want us to talk about your new song, Hustler Mantra. Hustler Mantra. What is the story behind that song? Hustler's Mantra.
Yeah, my name is Gona. Somebody to know me as Muniru for Tichima Market.
Hey, yeah,
basically because some time ago maybe then I dey carry things plus some.
Okay.
Yeah, that be the story. So it's a true hustler telling you what he's about, and where he reached for in stage, what he's not doing, what he's doing. And you know, say if what hustle to say me, the stage you go there. If you dare my stage, you go get time. If you know dare my stage, you go remember say then sometime you did that stage.
Okay. So that be what the Hustler Mantra now.
It's all about.
Okay.
You know how I explain that, man? Sometimes the music, how I write, I'm explaining body.
Okay.
It's a ubisa me about Hustler Mantra, Hustler's Mantra. Me, I go put time in a way I feel about the track. What sent me to the track at once.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the story about it.
Okay.
If you ever carry loads before way today, you day here. Yeah, you for fit talk about something where go tell somebody where they carry loads some other times, he for stand stiff. You they get me? Yeah.
Okay, that's very, 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 very nice. Hustler's Mantra. Guys, Hustler's Mantra. Like, the first time I heard of the song, I said, no, this song be very, very, very dope. It be dope song with myself. I soak always. I always listen to.
Thank you.
But, Gonaboy, are you on the record label?
Oh, nah, I'm independent. Yeah, with my team. Love.
So how do you fund your lifestyle? And how do you distribute your music?
Me, I don't get lifestyle. Though. I just they live to what I have. You they get me? Tomorrow, if you see me say I know they put on watch, just know say I don't get a watch. If I get some, I go put on. Maybe it be gift from my brother. Some meet me and Auntie Rakata them. Na ma kofawi. Na ma father kin and pabwa. Na ma show James. Me call me baby. It's just life. Yeah.
Okay.
And it's not always like that because I have a team. See, a Drew say a Juma, we make sure the work we do it. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you know what? I like your honesty, how you are very open that, okay, you went to your brother and you picked this stuff, I like how honest you are.
The team is I get my own stuff, so you know, today maybe me want me normal 102 be I me so me share with my life, my normal life. And no one I made that so share. That be what literally I mean. What else? Into a bit of a banner say who me say the beach. No matter how it be expensive, it go be my bro in own.
Okay.
You they get me?
Okay.
I just like to look nice. It is say me sorry say me who me brother there. Me your mo prince get to I also muti me mama fashion ade.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the plan for Gonaboy?
Big things, Charlie. Greatness. Hey, all the awards.
Hey.
Anything where you know say music go fit bring. Hey, every day we dey dream of Every day me them my people we know they sleep. We dey push harder to reach there. It's more pay my more supporting you know. So penny con you know I just know say we go produce some back from the music for you.
Okay, okay. That's very, very beautiful. So where can we reach you?
Instagram, Twitter, all the platforms. I did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you plan dropping tape this year or something?
Yeah, this year Muniru. That be why I come here intentionally. They mention Muniru.
So Muniru be the name of the tape.
The tape.
Okay. So how many songs are going to be on the tape?
For now, let's hide that.
Hey,
it could add up every day. That any day you get me. Maybe I'll tell you it's 6 or 10 or another number. Then it will be something else. I don't want to lie about it.
Okay.
If I knew the exact number, like I tell you,
But we want to get it exclusive. What's the meaning of Muniru?
Muniru means the mind.
The mind.
Yeah.
Deep. So you are trying to say the stuff running through Gonaboy's mind. That's what you are putting it on the tape.
The tape they come. I mean, I say the mind. That be the meaning of my Islamic name.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the mind. That's very, very pretty. So we should expect Muniru this year.
Yes.
But you can't tell us the man that is coming out.
Oh, he come no.
Hey.
He come no. He come no.
By any features?
He come.
Okay. But which artists do you love to work with? You have worked with B-Strap, you have worked with YG and Co. But which artists do you love to work with?
Anybody.
Wish to work with?
Anybody. Let's just get into the studio and make music. Yeah, if it bonds together and it's music, we all know that this is good music for the people. Yeah, just anybody could be the next person saying something great. Anybody, any artist, yeah, but them get some big artists where it be a dream come true to have them. Shatawale. Oh, I say for Koji Sheldon and they say Shatawale for my song in remix. You they get me?
Okay.
Anywhere I go say Shatawale for a billion remix, it be a dream come true.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like to get you and Sakwa there, it would be mad. So which let me say musicians do you love to work with?
Female musicians. Yeah. Adina. Yeah.
Okay.
Adina, Sinaso. Yeah.
Okay. Jackie.
Oh, them will be hard. I see myself in different directions. Something little where I go feed you, then go feed you, go add up grades.
Okay. So guys, you heard it from we have Gonaboy talking about it, the kind of artists he loves to work with. He loves to work with Efia, Adina, and Sinaso.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Beautiful.
Jackie.
And Jackie. Okay. I think my producer was telling me that someone has a surprise for Gonaboy. Yeah. Someone has a surprise for Gonaboy.
Yeah, they like surprises, so you do enough for they surprise me.
Okay.
Oh, same earth.
I beg make a check small because if maybe one day inside if I reach me first.
Like my brother Kata will come here, make noise, Papa.
Okay, same earth. Okay. So Gonaboy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, same earth.
Okay, so
Charlie,
I beg come here, come stand here.
Oh, you go see sir the way
Come here.
You so.
Okay.
Love.
Okay.
You go see sir the way I go represent him.
Okay. So okay, Charlie, let's watch the video for Hustler's Mantra from my brother Gonaboy. Let's check out the video.
Oh shit.